Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. Want to bring you another original design. This is the Tennyson knot, named after the author. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and put this at the belt line as usual. We're just going to go over here, come over here and put a dimple in. However you want to do it, it's up to you. Dimple doesn't matter. The style of dimple does not matter for this tie knot. So let's go ahead and put that up here like so. Bring it around here like this. We're going to come up and down like that. We're going to create that delta. Alright. So I'm going to come around like this. I'm going to leave this loose. I'm going to fold it down like this, come across like this, and I'm going to leave this folded like this over here, come over, bring this down, like so. So this is what we have so far. So then we're going to come back over to this side. I'm going to fold this in half and then put that down. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my collar down. I want to put my collar down because that's an important step. So here comes the collar. Put this down best we can. There we go. And then what I'm going to do, cut this thread off later, but we're going to kind of open this up a bit. We're going to have that folded right there. Going to leave that sticking out like that, and then have that defined there. So there's the Tennyson knot. So again, oh no, stop my friends, your favorite one I've made. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Also follow me at Stylish Leadership as well for more great content. Peace and God bless. We'll see you in the next video.